This will save you from washing windows for months. Dirty windows after winter are a nightmare for every homemaker, but here's a quick way to get them sparkling clean. This is an effective method for cleaning windows after winter. Prepare a tall container and pour in half a liter of preferably warm, boiled water. Next, add some glycerin, which moisturizes and protects the glass surface. Then add vinegar, which effectively removes dirt and leaves glass shiny. Mix everything thoroughly. Transfer the mixture into a spray bottle and close it. Your homemade window cleaner is ready and perfect for daily use. Spray the windows generously and leave for a moment. Then, take a microfiber cloth and rub the solution over the entire surface. This is the best way to clean windows streak-free and make them shine perfectly. As you can see, the windows are perfectly clean and refreshed. You can enjoy sparkling, streak-free windows after winter. The solution is gentle on frames and leaves no streaks. No need to spend a fortune on expensive products. Add a few drops to water, and you'll never clean the same way again. Just one ingredient is enough. Wipe your furniture and baseboards with it, and dust won't settle on them anymore. This clever trick will help you keep your baseboards spotless. Everyone in my family asks how to clean them, so here's what you should do at home to stop dust from building up. First, wipe down the baseboards and furniture to remove the dust that's already there. Prepare a bowl and pour in some warm water. Then add a small amount of one simple liquid. You definitely have it at home. That's the key ingredient: glycerin. It makes sure you won't need to dust so often. Soak a cloth, wring it out, and wipe the areas where dust collects the most. How does it work? Glycerin leaves behind a protective layer, almost like a coating. You won't even notice it's there, but it really makes a difference. Even after several days, no dust will appear. Try it at home, and you'll be amazed. One drop will make your windows shine. This solution will make cleaning your home more enjoyable than ever. Start by taking a glass. Fill it with water. Then add the key ingredient I mentioned earlier: glycerin. Add just 1 teaspoon of glycerin to the water. Glycerin is an excellent addition to window cleaning solutions because of its properties. It has an anti-static effect, helping to prevent dust from settling on the glass. Additionally, it gives the glass a shiny finish without leaving streaks. Next, add a measure of vinegar to the water with glycerin. Mix the ingredients thoroughly, then pour the solution into a spray bottle. Spray it onto your windows to remove stubborn dirt and polish the glass to a sparkling shine. After spraying, wipe the window with a cloth. Compare the cleaned side with the untouched one. The result will be instantly noticeable. Enjoy perfectly clean, streak-free windows. One drop is enough. The glass shelves in your refrigerator will stay clean, won't fog up, and you won't see any stains or streaks on them for up to a year. This trick is genius. It allows you to postpone cleaning the fridge. You just need to occasionally wipe away crumbs. Nothing will stick to the shelf anymore. Steam won't appear on it even if you leave the fridge open while looking for something. This is probably the best and most amazing trick you will ever try. The next time you clean your fridge, use it. Empty the fridge and remove the glass shelves. First, clean them thoroughly, each one. Then dry them well. The glass must be dry. Next, take a soft cloth and literally 1 or 2 drops of glycerin. You can buy glycerin at most drugstores. It's very efficient, so a small amount will last a long time. Use this small amount of glycerin to polish the refrigerator shelves. Do this on both sides. It might seem impossible at first, but polish until the glycerin disappears and the shelf is dry again. From now on, you'll see that the shelves will never fog up. If something spills, it won't stick to the glass shelf. You just need to wipe the shelves without removing and washing them. Glycerin leaves a protective layer, and this is the best way to keep your refrigerator clean. Pour this on the floor, and it will shine like a mirror. Grab a large bowl and add 1 tablespoon of salt, which will enhance the effect of the other ingredients. Measure and pour in about 100 milliliters of laundry detergent. Choose one with your favorite scent for a pleasant aroma while cleaning. Laundry detergent helps remove dirt and stains from surfaces. Next, add 100 milliliters of vinegar, a natural cleaner that also neutralizes unpleasant odors. Then, pour in 100 milliliters of floor cleaner, which will provide extra cleaning power and leave your surfaces shiny and fresh. Mix everything thoroughly. Use a funnel to transfer the mixture into a plastic bottle with a dispenser for easier application. Remember to shake well before each use. Pour the liquid on the floor, grab a mop, and clean away. Your floor will shine without any harsh chemicals, and there won't be a single streak. You can also use this mixture to clean kitchen countertops. This is how I get rid of the winter dirt. In no time, you'll have your balcony ready for spring. All you need is a simple homemade mixture. Snow, melting, and the buildup of soot make your balcony require a deep cleaning after the winter months. Luckily, you don't need to use expensive detergents. A proven homemade method will help you effectively clean the tiles. First, remove all the furniture and items from the balcony. Then, sweep up the leaves and other debris with a brush with stiff bristles. Once the surface is ready, wash the tiles with water and dish soap. Next, prepare the homemade mixture. Mix baking soda with hydrogen peroxide and apply it to the stains, scrubbing with a sponge or brush. Finally, rinse with clean water. Before cleaning, test the mixture in an inconspicuous area. If the tiles react well to it, you can clean the entire surface. With this simple trick, your balcony will be ready for spring. This is your last chance to act because this trick only works right now. Timing is key. All you need are a few colorful trash bags, and chances are you already have some at home. Just pick a few and take them out onto your balcony. Fill each bag with air and tie it tightly. If you don't have colorful bags, regular plastic ones will work just as well. Even the small produce bags from the grocery store. Now, tie the bags to your balcony railing in a few spots. As they flutter in the wind, they act as a natural scarecrow. It might sound silly at first, but it works. I've been doing this for years, and I get to enjoy a clean, peaceful balcony every spring. No more mess, no more droppings, no more stress. The key is to hang them up before pigeons start nesting. I always put the bags out at the end of March, and ever since I started, I've never had a problem. The pigeons see the bags moving and think there's danger nearby. They stay away and look for other places to nest. This trick is simple, inexpensive, and surprisingly effective. There's no need for harsh chemicals, loud noises, or messy cleanups. Just try it once and you'll see how pigeons vanish as if by magic. After the winter, I take aluminum foil and wrap the balcony railing with it. This method provides 100% effectiveness. Plain aluminum foil will ensure you won't have to do anything else. You surely have aluminum foil at home. It has many uses. Besides wrapping sandwiches and baking meat, you can use it in the dishwasher. Thanks to aluminum foil, glasses, cups, and cutlery are shiny. You've probably already discovered why it's worth throwing aluminum foil balls into the toilet tank. And you already know that aluminum foil is useful for removing grease after frying. The solidified grease can be thrown away with the foil. Thanks to the foil, you don't have to clog your pipes and spend money on a plumber. But you surely don't know about this use of aluminum foil yet. Take a piece of aluminum foil and wrap it around the railing. The piece of foil must be longer to wrap it properly on the metal railing. Take another piece and wrap the railing next to it. The foil serves a protective role. Thanks to it, I won't have to clean the balcony as often. How is that possible? The foil will prevent pigeons from sitting on it. Thanks to it, I no longer have to chase them away or clean up after them. The foil rustles and shines. Birds don't like that. They'll choose other places, but they'll avoid your balcony from now on.